안녕하세요. Hi everyone. This time we are going to study the verb past tense. In chapter 3, I taught you about the verb basic conjugation. Verb 아요, 해요, 오요. It's about the present and future tense basic conjugation, right? Verb. And this time we are going to study finally past tense. So basically 아요, 해요, 오요 represent present and future, but cannot represent the past tense. So this time we are going to study verb 아요, 해요, 오요. We can change it into past tense. The conjugation rule doesn't change. It's exactly same as verb 아요, 해요, 오요, the conjugation way. So you can follow chapter 3, the conjugation way. Example, can you see here? Every 하다 become 했어요. 했어요 is a 하다's past tense. So you can say 하다, 했어요. The present future of the basic one is a 하다 become 해요, but the past tense is 했어요. Very easy, right? Example, 운동하다 become 운동했어요. 샤워하다 become 샤워했어요. 구경하다 become 구경했어요. And if the verb's vowel is 아, 오 ending, you can add as어요. as어요, this is the past tense. And basic conjugation, present future is 아요, and then past tense is as어요. Example, 자다, 자, the vowel is 아, so we can add as어요. So you can say 자았어요, but Korean people don't say 자았어요. 자앗 become 잤어요. And 보다, example, 보, the vowel is O, so you can add 보았어요, or you can say 봤어요. Both are fine. And example, 사다, 사, the vowel is 아, so you can say 사았어요, but Korean people don't say 사았어요. 사앗, fast say, you can say 샀어요. So far so good. 하다 and then verbs vowel 아오 is easy to remember. And the verbs vowel 아오, except 아오, everything you can add 어써요. 어써요 is a past tense of 어요. Example, 먹다, 먹, the vowel is 어, so you can add 어써요. So, 먹었어요. And 마시다, 마시, 시, the vowel is 이, so you can add 어써요. So, 마시었어요. And 쉬었어 become shot, so you can say 마셨어요. And 만들다, 들, the vowel is 으, so you can add 어써요. So 만들었어요. So you can make a sentence present, future, and today you know how to make it past tense. So now we are studying how to make past tense. There's a one grammar part I want to explain to you. Can you see here? The past tense of verbs, which is expressed with at, had, ought, which is about the past tense, also follows the 아요, 해요, 오요 grammar pattern. Originally, it should be assayo, but Koreans find it uncomfortable to pronounce, so they say as어요. So 아요, 오요, 해요 is a basic of the basic, the conjugation, verb and adjective. We will study soon. So at, had, ought also conjugated with 아요, 해요, 오요, the conjugation pattern. So at, the vowel is 아, so we're supposed to add assa요. We're supposed to add assa요. But the pronunciation is so difficult and uncomfortable, so Korean people change it as어요. That's why we called it as어요, not assa요. as어요 is better to pronounce. So now you can change it, the verb, into the past tense, right? But there is another noun grammar we have studied. Unit 1, noun 이에요, 예요. You also can make this pattern into the past tense. So I want to explain to you how can you change it into the past tense. Can you see here? Basically, noun 이었어요, 였어요 is a past grammar of noun 이에요, 예요. If the noun has ending consonant, we add noun 이에요. If the noun doesn't have a final consonant, we add 예요. Example, 저는 Iron Man이에요. Or I can say 저는 가수예요. You also can make it this sentence into the past tense. Example, 저는 Iron Man, man has ending consonant, so Iron Man이었어요. The sentence meaning is changed. I'm Iron Man into I was Iron Man. You can say the past tense. And 저는 가수예요. I'm a singer. You can make it into the past tense. 가수, 수 has no ending consonant, so you can say 저는 가수였어요. I was a singer, like this. So you can see here, if a noun has a final consonant, you can use 이었어요. And if a noun doesn't have a final consonant, you can use 였어요. Example, can you see here? 저는 1월 1일에 불꽃놀이를 봤어요. 불꽃놀이 is a fireworks. So 저는 I 1월 1일에 1st of January I watched 불꽃놀이. You can say that. 1st of January I watched the fireworks. Like that. And second sentence 저는 주말에 집에서 그냥 쉬었어요. 그냥 is just. So 그냥 쉬었어요. I just took a rest. Like that. So the translation is 주말에 on the weekend I just took a rest at home. 집에서. And next sentence 옛날에 선생님은 부자였어요. 옛날 is a long time ago. So long time ago teacher was rich. Like that. So you can make a past tense like this with noun 에. Let's practice together. So far we have studied dates and days of the week and noun 에, also past tense. At, had, ought. You guys can make some sentences with those grammars. Example, first sentence. 저는 작년에 친구하고 한국에서 여행했어요. So 저는 is I 작년에 last year with friend at Korea traveled. So English and Korean the sentence order is different. So I traveled at Korea with my friend last year. So you can say 저는 작년에 친구하고 한국에서 여행했어요. Last year, I traveled to Korea with my friend, like this. And next sentence. 어제 저는 커피숍에서 친구하고 커피를 마셨어요. So, 어제, yesterday, 저는 I, 커피숍에서, at coffee shop, with my friend, 친구하고 커피를 마셨어요. Drank coffee. So, 어제 저는 커피숍에서 친구하고 커피를 마셨어요. You can translate like this. Yesterday, I drank coffee with my friend at coffee shop. Like that. And next sentence. 7월 회사 휴가에 저는 친구하고 태국에 갔어요. 7월 is a July and then 회사 휴가. 회사, company. 휴가 is a vacation for worker, so 회사 휴가, the worker's vacation. So July, worker's vacation, I went to Thailand, 태국, with my friend, like this. 7월, 회사 휴가에 저는 친구하고 태국에 갔어요. You also can say 7월에, 회사 휴가에. You can use twice the noun 에, 7월에, 회사 휴가에, doesn't matter. And then I went to Thailand with my friend like this. And next sentence. 저는 지난주 토요일에 회사에서 일했어요. 지난주 is a last week. 토요일 is a Saturday. So last week Saturday I worked at company like this. 저는 지난주 last week 토요일에 on Saturday 회사에서 at company 일했어요. I worked. In this sentence also 지난주 is a time, right? So 지난주에 토요일에 also good. You can say 지난주 토요일에. This is better. 저는 지난주 토요일에 회사에서 일했어요. Work on Saturday. Sad. Next sentence. 설날에 저는 가족하고 떡국을 먹었어요. 설날 is a Chinese Lunar New Year. So 설날에 저는 가족하고 with my family 떡국 is a Korean traditional rice cake soup and then 먹었어요. ate. 설날에 저는 가족하고 떡국을 먹었어요. On Lunar New Year's I ate 떡국 with my friend like this. And next sentence. 저는 11월 11일 빼빼로 데이에 빼빼로를 받았어요. 빼빼로 is a Korean snack. Looks like one stick. And people think this can be a one, like one. So 11th of November, Korean people say this is the day of 빼빼로. And girlfriend, boyfriend give each other the 빼빼로. We call this day is a 빼빼로 day. So 저는 I 11월 11일 빼빼로 데이에 So the 빼빼로 day 11th of November 빼빼로를 받았어요. I receive 빼빼로. 저는 11월 11일 빼빼로 데이에 빼빼로를 받았어요. On 11th of November, the 빼빼로 day, I received 빼빼로 like this. You also can use 11월 11일에 and then 빼빼로 day에. You can use twice. noun에. It doesn't matter. So how do you think about making sentence past tense with noun에? How do you think? Like I said, just watching YouTube, listening, understanding is easy. But when you making by yourself sentence, it's difficult. So please review yourself, and if you have any question, leave me a comment. We will see in the next lesson. Have a nice day. 안녕히 계세요.